everyone, this is Rashi Gulati. Today we are going to learn about the 5 vowels. Yes, 5 vowels. When we were children, in our schools, we used to listen to the 5 vowels like A, E, I, O, U. And now when we are teaching our little ones, why are we doing E, O, O? Because this is the Jolly Phonics rule. Now we will do 5 vowels in the Jolly Phonics rule. Long vowel says A, E, I, O, U, and short vowels is A, E, O, A, where A, and on my arm, E. E means E. I is E. O, what does O means? O means O. And U means These are the short vowel sounds. E, O, E, O, These are the 5 short vowel sounds. The vowel comes in every word. The vowel comes in every word. Every word means every word. These are the short vowel sounds. Now let's listen to a song where they will introduce you with the short sounds and the long sounds of vowels. Thank you.